Okay, I'm Patrick Tandano. This is really the white bean that we are having here. So if, as you can see, even it's like mixed up. We are trying to preserve this one for our seed really. When the rains come back, this is what we are going to do for plantation as far as women garden is concerned, and even for the home use, we can still use this one as seed. So what we do with this one normally, when we sort this one as seed, what we do, we have to bring like red pepper, dry red pepper, and then we dump in between in order to prevent other bugs or other things to go and destroy it from this bag. So it prevents those one. And as you can see, it is mixed. This one, like, we have types of beans. So in those types of beans, we have some that can either be cross-pollinated. They bring in more colors from one garden to another. They transfer, the bees will transfer this in order to cause this kind of like double color of the beans. So with this one, they're all the same, like, let me say, in terms of cooking. They don't take long, these white beans, than compared to this one that you're seeing. This one takes long on the fire than this one. I don't know the reason why. And this one, I'm done with this. So this one, we have another one from here. This one, we call it K20, not the white one, but K20, of which we have varieties. We have yellow beans, and then white beans, and then this one, we call it K20. So this K20 can take long there. When you put on fire, like to cook, it will take some hours than this one compared to the white one. So this one also, we are preserving all of this that you are seeing here. It's for the seed that we have sorted them, and yeah, we are just waiting for the rain to come, and then we can plant them on the field.
Okay.
So this one here, we have, it's groundnut. We call it here groundnut, and if you break it, you will find it has 3 seeds inside, like 4, 3. So this is the maximum seed which is supposed to be inside the groundnut, which are 4. You can even see 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is different from other groundnut. This one, but what takes, it's like the durations are the same, and they take, both of them, they take 3 months and some weeks to harvest them, well, before they are ready. And this one here, it is 2. It has only 2 seeds. Even if I break it right now, you can see the total number of 2. So this one, if you plant them, actually they are very stronger than others because they take long under the ground compared to this one. So on this one here also, we have, they're also 2 in number. As I break, you can see instead of 3, they're 2. So the minimum number of seeds, this one is having 2, and then the other one, the maximum, it's 4. That is how groundnut is being grown here, and all of them, they take a period of 3 months and 2 weeks to harvest. So I'm done with this. And then secondly, we have this one, the one which is 2. We have in two colors. We have white one and then the red one, which is this. So the white one, I think we don't have it inside here. And then this one is a dry cassava. So we preserve this one because there are some people who buys this one for making like bread for their children or for family consumption, but this one is like ready to a market. We can go and weigh them, we sell them. So this is for, we can, out of this, we take it the grinding machine and it will turn into a cassava flour, which will help for food and other things really.
What do you make with that?
This one, this thing can, out of this, many things can come from this dry cassava. They can make this one mostly, but for us here, we make it for food. Others would make it for local brews,
Right.
for making like
But
drinks.
the food you make, what food do you make it for? Flour?
Yes, flour for food can come out of this.
Okay.
So
Good.
all the same.
Okay.
So this one here, it's a sorghum, and this sorghum is not for food. It's not meant for for sorghum flour. This one, it's for making like beer. The one that we just use it as a cash crop. We sell it to the company that buys it for making beer. And then this one that you're seeing is the one that we grind them and we use them for food. We grind them and make it out of it to crush it and becomes a flour. So we call it a sorghum flour. So this one we use it for making bread and really for food. And we have another type here. This is also the same with this one. We grind them and then we use the flour for food. And then it has also another function here, because the stem of this one, it is like a sugar cane. So sometimes we break it and we chew it as sugar cane, the stem of this type of sorghum. And then this one is also the same with that one, but the difference is this one takes long than that one in order to harvest. If you want to harvest this, you can stay in a period of either 5 months or 6 months, but they can easily be damaged by the bugs or other predators compared to this one. So briefly, this is what I know.
Well, they ain't moving.